Turned up to this one, customer said the heating was coming on with the hot water. It's a Y-plan system, so straight away you're going to think it's the Y-plan valve, but we'll do some checks anyway just to be sure. Hot water on the programmer and the boiler fired, the cylinder stat was turned up, but you can feel the hot water going down the heating side as well. So we're going to whip out the 10-way and have a look. We're going to check if there's voltage on white. We are getting 240 on white. We shouldn't be getting any volts on white, and we shouldn't be getting any on grey. So that proves the programmer's at fault, so I'm going to swap it for a Honeywell ST9400C. It's always a good sign when the old programmer's wobbly, so we're going to get that taken off, get it all disconnected. Exactly the same wiring as before, same terminals. Now we're going to turn it back on and test it. Green light means go. Let's head up to the 10-way and just check. Make sure we're not getting any voltage on white, which we're not. So the programmer was sending 240 on the white to tell the Y-plan valve to send it down the heating. That's the importance of always doing the electrical checks to determine. That's another one done, happy days.